In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Advice tab in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money's Advice tab does not work like a chatbot where you ask questions. Instead, it gives you ready-made financial insights and tasks based on your data. To access this on desktop, go to the sidebar and click on the Advice tab. Here, you will see a list of suggestions based on your accounts, transactions, budgets, and goals. Each advice item highlights something important, like high spending, recurring subscriptions, or progress toward your goals. You can click on an item to view more details and understand the recommendation. From there, your goal is to complete the suggested action, such as adjusting a budget, reviewing a transaction, or updating a goal. These tasks are designed to help you improve your finances step by step without needing to analyze everything manually. Make sure your accounts are fully synced so the advice stays accurate and up to date. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.